Question came up, I saw somewhere on the forums of TV Paint. Someone had a question about the Contour Shuttle Pro and TV Paint using the jog wheel to rotate the screen and also to be able to use it for zoom in and zoom out. Couldn't figure out how to do it. So this short video is just going to show how that can be done. It's going to assume that you know how to set keys and set up the Shuttle Pro in the settings. I'm not going to be going through those portions of it to keep this video down to a bearable length. So if you have any questions about that, you can always go to Contour Design's website or TV Paint's help file to find out more about those parts. For this, I'm just going to show you how you can assign, how you can get this to work. So we start in TV Paint. And we go into our keyboard shortcuts. You can go into zoom because this will give us all of what we need. We want to zoom in, we want to zoom out, we want to rotate counterclockwise and rotate clockwise. Rotating clockwise, you have page down. Rotating counterclockwise, you have page up. And if you look at zooming out, that's shift page down, and zooming in is shift page up. So there's the common keys, page up and page down. Now this is just how it is right now in my version of TV Paint. You can set your zoom in, zoom out to any key combination you want. The key to it to be able to do this in TV Paint is to have a common key between the two functions. So in this case, page up and page down will give you a zoom in, zoom out, or a rotate left to right. And the only difference is the shift. So see here, if I press the page up and page down, it's basically rotating. If I hold down the shift, and I'm doing this on my keyboard, if I hold down the shift and page up and page down, that zooms in and zooms out. Let's see what this looks like in the Shuttle Pro settings for TV Paint. So here we have the TV Paint Pro settings. So we'll focus on the jog. So you'll notice that when I rotate my jog left, turn jog left is set to page up. You can also see it down here. And turn jog right is set to page down. And I've got also this modifier key here, or this key, which is button 11, set to shift. As you can see here, this button set to shift. Now I'm right-handed, so I'm using my left hand here, so it makes sense to put my thumb there and use that to turn. If you're right-handed, of course, make it the way you need it, but this is just a demonstration here. So now that I have that set with page up and page down there and shift, I can go back over here, and now using just my Shuttle Pro, I can rotate left, the jog wheel, rotate right, alright, and then hold down the button that I assigned to the modifier shift and rotate again, and now I can zoom in and zoom out. So there you go. Hopefully that was helpful, and thanks for watching.